We try and bring the beard love to the whole event and get everyone very keen on facial hair, because we think it's pretty important.
I suffer cheek hair deficiency, and I just am trying to let everyone know that out there, or the men, that it's all right to be deficient on the cheeks, and you can still go in beard competitions. Do it.
Well, the beard competition is part of the Mandate Festival. This year it's had 5 different areas. People who have a full beard, people with mustache, the bearded lady, people with a partial beard, and finally the freestyle beard. We've had some beards that look like weapons of mass destruction with a whole heap of spikes, and other beards that multiple plaits, and then moustaches that come out this far. And the bearded lady entrants this year were pretty spectacular as well. Sometimes people, they don't think their beard's good enough to get up on stage, but we're celebrating facial hair, so we want to see every single beard put under the spotlight and given its time to shine, because yeah, every single bit of facial hair deserves its recognition.